Hi, my name is Sue Darden, and I'm a 6th grade teacher at Galileo STEM Academy in the West Ada School District. I am starting my 30th year of teaching, and I'm the recipient of the 2016 Presidential Award for Excellence in Mathematics and Science Teaching. I'm speaking today in support of IVAPA Rule 080203, Rules Governing Thoroughness, Section 4, Subsection 1. Some critics have said the Common Core standards are dumbing down what the students are taught, but in Idaho, the opposite is true. 75% of the standards that I teach now in 6th grade were previously taught in higher grades before the implementation of the Common Core. I feel a big problem with the Common Core was the implementation itself. When the state legislature adopted these standards, very little money was put forth to train teachers, provide high quality teaching materials, or educate parents on what the Common Core was all about. West Ada did try to provide training, but we did not have a middle school math textbook until this previous year. Again, it comes back to adequate funding. When you look at the individual standards for math, I have trouble finding anything that anyone should take exception to. We want to prepare all of Idaho students to be able to problem solve and think critically. This is addressed in the 8 mathematical practices that are part of the standards. They are: make sense of problems and persevere in solving them, reason abstractly and quantitatively, construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others, model with mathematics, use appropriate tools strategically, attend to precision, look for and make use of structures, look for and express regularity and repeated reasoning. None of these are offensive, and all of them are skills we want our Idaho students to have. With the implementation of the Common Core, parents were often not adequately informed of the changes and how they can help our students. Part of that may be due to the fact that teachers may not have understood initially how to effectively teach with the new standards. Currently on Facebook, there is an anti-Common Core video showing 2 strategies for solving the pretty simple math problem of 35 times 12. On the right side, you see someone very quickly solving the problem using the traditional algorithm. On the left, you see a teacher doing an instructional video showing how to solve the same problem using the ARI model, where she decomposes 35 into 30 plus 5, 12 into 10 plus 2. She then goes through the steps on how to use the ARI model to solve the problem. Because it is an instructional video, it takes significantly longer, and that video has been shared over and over to prove that Common Core is ineffective and inefficient. I timed myself doing that same problem, and I only had a 2-second difference. Then I created other similar problems, 2 to 3 seconds difference if you knew the strategy and were actually just doing it. Some opponents want to return to teaching with traditional algorithms, but if a student does not understand why a strategy works, they may not be able to remember how to use it in the future. Many of the strategies taught early can be used with more complex math later. However, for those who like algorithms, never fear. The standards require that the students master those as well. What is important is that our students understand why various strategies work so they can use them successfully in the future. I urge you to keep the Idaho State standards, as our students in Idaho deserve the best. Again, the problem is not with the standards, but their implementation. Thank you.